Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be a mix of crazy road scenes, so make sure to stick till the end. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. This video shows us exactly why you need to keep a safe distance between yourself and the car in front. It's especially dangerous when you have multiple vehicles driving too close to each other. All it takes is for one of them to hit the brakes for total chaos to happen.
They don't even look. They don't even look. He heard you. How could you cross without looking?
Well, both of them didn't. One guy looked, he didn't care, and the other guy didn't look at all.
Also, right?
Van driver cut across the entire road without using his turn signals and with no regards towards the rest of the traffic. Luckily, it didn't come to an accident. In this video, you'll see some of the crazy encounter that our camera has to deal on a regular basis. Drivers running red lights, cutting each other off, and many more road drama. Hopefully, you'll learn something from this.
Cut off. Okay, yeah. Try a blinker, you all. Is that a cut off? Stop tailgating. Don't cut me off. Don't hit me! Jesus H. Christ! Plain as I can. What you stupid ass? Maybe I'm insane. Stop! Try your turn. Oh, hi, how you doing? You're exit diving. You're both exit diving. Cool. Cool. Gee. Thank you. You bastard. Go! Stop! Ah, you bastard. We're in the red. Yeah, that was cut off. Yeah, okay, yeah. Asshole. Go, stupid. You have a green. Go. Yeah, wake up. You're in the red. You're in the red. Ah, that's an exit dive. There's a cutoff.
Suits on it than any monetary value, and just
In this video, you'll see a driver going through the turn lane the wrong way. Luckily enough, he didn't cause an accident with his move.
49 and 348. And at the store it's 3.
that's not how you use that.
If you think that's a good idea to run a red light in front of a sheriff, you better think twice. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you guys enjoy watching and taking notes as well. There were a lot of mistakes in this episode and hopefully you managed to learn something. After all these videos are used for educational purposes. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure to click the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.